I have been using HyperX Alloy HX-KB1BR1-NA/A3 FPS Mechanical Gaming Keyboard, Cherry MX Brown, and Zebronics Nitro Mechanical USB Keyboard, Cherry MX Blue, for about 3 years now. I wanted to buy one more mechanical keyboard for my workplace with tactile feedback but did not want the sound of blue switches. So I started looking for mechanical keyboards with brown switches and I came across multiple options, the cheapest being ones from Cosmic Byte. Cosmic Byte CB-GK-30 is with Outemu Brown switches and per key RGB. Cosmic Byte CB-GK-13 is with same Outemu Brown switches but per key light is fixed in different rows. Cosmic Byte CB-GK-13 Neon Rainbow Backlit Mechanical Keyboard with Brown Outemu Switch, black, is a decent keyboard with a simple non-braided cable and non-stabilized keycaps. The transparent white numbering on the keycaps is way too transparent, so much that you cannot use the keyboard without the background lighting. The per row different RGB light is too distracting as the brightness or color of the light makes it difficult to identify each key rows with ease. It looks good but not practical. Definitely, I would not recommend this keyboard for any work or gaming. Cosmic Byte CB-GK-30 Black Eye Pro Wired per key RGB Mechanical Keyboard with software and Outemu Brown switches, black, has a braided cable, a wrist rest, and software for setting per key RGB manually. The keycaps are stabilized and have a decent white color on the numbering which can allow usage even without the RGB light. But the color of the numbering could be more white so that it can be used by people more easily who do not want RGB. On some of the keys I found the color of white light was a bit yellowish. The worst part about CB-GK-30 is the numbering on the top number row. The symbols are on the top and numbers are at the bottom of the keycaps. So no matter what, the numbers will never be lit by the light and only symbols will have light. Good HyperX and Zebronics ones I use have numbers and symbols side by side on the top row so that both are lit at once. Such a simple solution cannot be thought by people from Cosmic Byte. Another drawback I found is the color of the plastic around the switches. It is transparent in color, so when the LED is on you can see the light all below the keycaps and from every angle. This looks good but it is inconvenient as the light coming from the sides is more distracting and bright compared to the light coming through the keycaps. Both HyperX and Zebronics have dark plastic around the switch which do not bleed light. Having used both Cherry MX Brown and Blue on daily basis for almost 3 years, I can easily compare Outemu Brown with Cherry. The Outemu switches are soft and more like a good membrane keyboard than mechanical. The tactile feedback also is very soft. Cherry MX gives a much better and firm click, with great tactile feedback. The sound from the keys is similar for both Outemu and Cherry. Overall, Cosmic Byte CB-GK-13 is not a usable keyboard for me because of the bad per key light. Cosmic Byte CB-GK-30 is a good option for a cheap version of Brown switches. If you can afford it, I would recommend going for original Cherry MX Browns, if tactile feedback and feel of the keys is important to you.